Have you ever wondered about the game of chess that is politics, the push and pull, the strategic moves, the call to reinstate? Today we delve into a fascinating story from the heart of Zimbabwean politics. In the world of politics, unexpected events are a given. Our story begins with the Zimbabwe African National Union Patriotic Front, or ZANU-PF, an entity that has held the reins of power since Zimbabwe's independence in 1980. Fast forward to 2024, the Speaker of Parliament, Jacob Mdenda, a member of the ZANU-PF, found himself in an intriguing situation. A scenario that involved opposition members, specifically from the Citizens Coalition for Change (CCC), led by Nelson Chamisa. Picture this: the parliament, once filled with opposition members, was suddenly devoid of their presence. A mass expulsion had occurred, spearheaded by the speaker himself. The reason? Alleged misconduct and violation of parliamentary decorum. An empty opposition bench certainly painted a stark picture. But as the saying goes, the show must go on. The parliament continued to function, albeit amidst a storm of protest and criticism. The opposition cried foul, and the public opinion swayed, questioning the fairness of the expulsion. However, in a surprising turn of events, Mdenda, who had initially ordered the expulsion, was compelled to reconsider his stance. He was forced to bring back Chamisa's MPs into the parliament. Why the sudden change of heart? Well, the pressure from the international community and the need for a balanced democratic process were factors too significant to ignore. In the face of mounting external pressure, Mdenda had to reverse his initial decision. The reinstatement of Chamisa's MPs was not just a win for the opposition, but also a testament to the power of international influence and the importance of a balanced democratic process. So, what can we glean from this saga? First, politics is a game of strategy and negotiation, where decisions can be reversed in the face of compelling circumstances. Second, the importance of maintaining a balanced democratic process cannot be understated, even in the face of internal power struggles. Lastly, international pressure and public opinion can play a significant role in influencing national politics. In conclusion, the story of Jacob Mdenda and the Chamisa MPs serves as a fascinating case study in the world of politics, a tale of power, strategy, and the importance of maintaining a democratic balance. It's a reminder that in the grand game of politics, no move is ever final.